So this is Maximus. He hasn't been assessed yet out of the kennel, so we don't know if he's going to be made available. He does have a fractured canine, and I forget what else is on the special needs email, but could be something about his elbows or something. Looks like he's probably been living on cement. He is a massive dog, and see, he wasn't horrible on the leash. He didn't totally pull. He didn't care about any of the other dogs right now. He was just trying to sniff to go potty and everything. So we'll see how he is out of the kennel here after he does his business. We'll do another video too.